against us. We recorded this right around 2:30 this afternoon. Things haven't changed that much. Now, we are speeding this up a little bit, but you can see how high those waves are crashing in. This is between Diversey and Belmont. And these people just walking by there, please be careful. I know it's a draw. You want to go out there and see this because it is spectacular.
You're doing such a good job. Huh?
Are you going to color the flowers?
I don't want to. We have to go all the way around that.
Let me see. Put it down on the ground. Oh, do a couple of. Just do 4. One in each corner. Oh, go ahead. Come on, you. Lazy little kid. Let me see if you're doing a real good job. Oh, yeah. Staying in the lines. You sure are. Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Okay.
Well, you can get more cotton. You can do more.
Hey, you. You. Okay.
See if you can find some more.